video in the series. But yeah, so I was talking about art and how I felt that the golden ratio is something that is going to be very popular, and the golden ratio of 1 is to 1.618. I think this is an area that QE boys are going to work in. The reason I say that is because I know their teachers, and I know that they will be able to do a really, really good project on it. I think it's a little bit predictable, and I would like to look at a different aspect of art, possibly a real proper fusion of art and mathematics. You know, and we could look at this idea of entropy. So what if you remember last year for the GCSE, the topic was order and disorder. Well, that's pretty much what the scientific concept of or principle of entropy is. So entropy means that over time things will move from being ordered to disordered. The best example of this is your bedroom. You know, over time it's going to get messy. Or the workshop in DT, over time it's going to get messy. It doesn't clean itself. So we move from being ordered to disordered, and there is a huge amount of mathematical basis behind that. And girls base their entire project on that, on order and disorder from last year. So like we can look at what the girls did, we can gain inspiration from it, and you know you can do some really great projects on that. We can look at John Herschel, who is the father of modern photography. Well, not modern photography, but color photography for the first time. He invented cyanotype, and how that impacted on Impressionist era and the mathematics behind the Impressionist era. And then I also have different videos that are in the link, or that are in the description, that will help you out with all these areas. So there is some other areas of possible study. I'm not saying that you have to do one of these, but what I am saying is that there are so many different possibilities, and these are some areas that you have identified. I think all of them will be brilliant, but as I said, it's completely up to you. Okay, it's completely up to you. We have to keep in mind, as I said in the first video, the very first video, we need a product at the end. Okay, we need to have a product at the end. So keep that in mind. We can't just be researching mindlessly, but we need to do the research in the first place so that we're well positioned to make a really excellent project. So I'm just excited about what I can find, what you're going to come back with, girls. I'm really, really excited about this. Yeah, and so for those of you who are coming on Monday, I'll talk to you about it then. If you've done some work on it, I'll bring it along so we can discuss it. And yeah, we'll get into it, and I'm sure I'll make a few more videos as the time goes on. But I think this is the 16th or 17th video I've made. So you know, I've put in the work. Now it's up to you. And I know that you will, because you always do. And I'm just so excited about it, girls. So can't wait to see what you've got ready for me. Okay, well done, girls. See you soon. Bye-bye.